Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how becoming an eco-friendly floor cleaning business can add value not only to your customers but to the environment too. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How an eco-friendly floor cleaning business can add value to your clients and, of course, the environment. Whether you're starting a floor cleaning business from scratch or you're looking for new ways to market your floor cleaning business and set yourself apart from everybody else in your area, going eco-friendly or putting the spotlight on the fact that you're eco-friendly can be an excellent way to take your floor cleaning business to the next level. That's because the environment's in the news all the time, and there's so much marketing out there that focuses on the environment and being eco-friendly. It's all the rage these days, and so it's a great opportunity for you to jump on that as well and use that as a marketing angle to grow your own floor cleaning business. People love the idea of enjoying a service that also keeps them healthier as well as doing good for the environment. For you, like I said, an eco-friendly business is an excellent way to set yourself apart from all the competition and potentially charge yourself a premium at the same time. No doubt there is a strong interest in eco-friendly businesses these days, and of course the cleaning industry in particular, with all the different chemicals that you guys use, is no exception. This can be especially important to residential clients who've got like kids, pets, allergies, asthma, chemical sensitivities. Synthetic chemicals in their freshly cleaned carpet might do more harm than good. I've got no doubt that residential customers will have concerns about that. 1 in 3 people will choose a cleaning company based on how eco-friendly and sustainable their company is. That's a fact, and that's official data and figures talking there. There's no doubt for certain carpet cleaning treatments there's going to be no other way than to use a strong chemical, right? Depending on the stain that you're trying to get out, there may well be no other way than using something quite extreme to make that happen. However, that does not necessarily mean that you can't offer or promote yourself as an environmentally friendly eco carpet cleaning or floor cleaning business. And it also means as well that you don't need to go like 100% eco-friendly, because as I've just said, depending on what you're trying to do, you might need to use something more extreme in terms of chemicals. And let's say on your rug or whatever, you've got like a really deep wine stain or whatever, some really crazy stain, but it's just in like a small patch of like the rug. You might just need to use like something a little bit heavier just to get that out on that one place. But the rest of the carpet, you'll clean it with an eco-friendly product. It's just that one spot that you might need to go a little bit more extreme, and I'm sure the customer, in the knowledge that it's just that one spot and it's actually get the stain out, is going to be fine with you using that more extreme chemical. So the fact that you still might need to use some more extreme chemicals is completely fine, and there's no harm in that, and you can completely still position your business as being eco-friendly. And if you do that, you can obviously then, in terms of like your marketing, your advertising, start to talk about how your business is more sustainable, how it's healthy for your customers and your workers, and how it's obviously less damaging for the environment. Here's some my kind of top tips for kind of going eco-friendly with your floor cleaning business. Now, it might be that, look, you're already using like eco-friendly products. I anticipate that the products that you buy already for your customers, for your business, I'm sure they're obviously not going to kill an animal like a dog, otherwise you'd never be able to sell them. They'd be illegal, right? So I'm sure that most of the products already are pretty eco-friendly, and it might just be that you just haven't put the spotlight on your business that it is an eco-friendly company. So that's the first thing. It might just be a matter of just like focusing on something that you already do in terms of your marketing. But then also, if you really want to kind of like take that next step, here's some other kind of hints and tips. The first thing I would say is to actually review your cleaning supplies inventory. Go through your cleaning products and see which ones you can replace with green alternatives. You may even be able to cut down on material cost if you get multi-purpose items, like maybe there's some all-purpose type cleaners or chemicals that you can use. But ultimately, have a look at what you're currently using and have a look what else is out there. Are there other alternatives to what you're currently using that are more eco-friendly, that are less harmful to the environment, that are less potentially harmful to your customers? And make a decision. Maybe instead of using this chemical, I'll buy this chemical instead as a replacement because this one happens to be more eco-friendly. So that's the first thing. It may well be, as I've just pointed out, that the vast majority of your products are already pretty eco-friendly, and it could just be simply that you just have never cast a spotlight on that angle of the business. So yeah, if you do decide to, of course, replace some of your products with eco-friendly products, make sure that you, of course, test them out on your own time, test the green supplies to see how they compare to your synthetic cleaning products, because of course you need to make sure that they're going to be able to get that same result. So before you actually start using them in public, in other people's houses, you definitely want to test them out first. That's pretty obvious. Make the switch to green gradually. Remember, you might need to keep offering both products if not all your customers want to make the switch. You might have current customers that have been with you for years that love the products that you're already using, that love the service that you provide. And when you start to say that you've changed your suppliers or you've changed your chemicals, that might put them off. You know, they might be really, really happy and love the smell of a particular solution that you're currently using. And actually, you might lose a customer by switching to some other chemical or some other treatment, even if it is more eco-friendly. So yeah, make the switch gradually. Make sure to tell your clients about your new services. Your clients should know that the change is coming, as well as higher prices. If you intend to use this as an angle to raise your prices to accommodate these new products, let them know in advance. So what you can do is you can send an email out to your current customer base and you can say, hey, look, you know, we haven't raised our prices in X years. This is what we currently do. So re-establish the value. This is what you currently get when you hire us. And this is what we've been working on. And moving forward, this is the new stuff that you're going to get. You're going to get all this new environmentally friendly service and eco products. And to enable us to do this, to help us save the planet, we're going to need to increase the price by X dollars, X percent or whatever. I'm sure that you'll be fine with that. It only works out to be an extra $5 or $10, whatever you're putting your prices up by. But I'm sure you'll appreciate the need right now in terms of the environment for us to make this change. And I'm sure you'll appreciate how it will make your own homes healthier places to live. So that's how you can kind of pitch a price increase. But like I say, do let them know in advance and stuff, and do give them the option as well. You know, say, look, if you prefer to use the solutions that we've been using in your home for the last 5 years, then that's fine. We don't want to lose you as a customer. Just let us know. You've got the choice of kind of both options. And then the other thing that you can do as well is to look at what certifications are available to you in terms of being eco-friendly or environmentally friendly. I'm not sure myself exactly what's out there, but it might be worth doing some research, because there may well be some eco-friendly accreditations that you can do. Then you can put the logo or the badge on your website. And again, all of that just gives you that authority in the space, in the industry, in your area, that you are the go-to environmentally friendly carpet cleaner or whatever, right? It just backs up everything that you're saying. If you can get some kind of badge or accreditation for being environmentally friendly, maybe that's by the local council that does something like that for local businesses, whether it's, you know, a health service accreditation or something like that. So do look into that as well. Final thoughts, like I said, whether you're just starting out and you're just building a carpet cleaning company from scratch, or you're a well-known business with years of experience, you can start making the switch to green cleaning if you feel like it's the right move. If you do choose that route, going green doesn't have to be all or nothing. You can start with a few different options in terms of products as a step in the right direction. It may well, as I've already said, be that predominantly you are pretty environmentally friendly with your products as they are. And it might just simply be that you just need to cast the spotlight on the fact that you are environmentally friendly. Maybe you've never used that marketing angle before, and it could be something that sets you apart from everybody else. So it's definitely worth some thought. It's definitely worth looking into as we move into a more aware world. And certainly in the cleaning industry, I think it's definitely something that you guys need to be on top of. So that's the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to book a call. Thanks.